మీరు మార్నింగ్ డీటెయిల్స్ పంపించారు కదా.
Hi guys, today I'm going to begin your session. Myself Satvika. I'm here to take your session, data analytics with Tableau. Yes, today's session will be there. Very effective. So we just started somewhat late. Is it clear? Now my own voice is my voice is clear. Is it clear, guys? If my voice is clear, just give me a minute. Is it fine? Is it fine? Yeah, yeah. Guys, is my audio is clear?
Is my voice is clear now? Yeah, yeah. Is my voice is clear now? Just give me a thumbs up. Yes. Yes, myself, Satvika. I'm from SmartBridge 2. I'm here to take your session. So you want me to continue the session, or you want me to clear your doubts? So it's your choice. Just give me an answer in Q&A section so that I know. Yes, please ask this kind of questions to in the next session, because next session sir will take, in the sir will take. So sir will tell you the answers. Okay. If you want me to continue the session, or if you want me to clear your doubts. About the teams and all, we can't do anything, right? So I can't do anything. So please just uh do something. Just drop a message if you want me to clear me, or else continue the session. Yeah, dear. Praveen Kumar, please, if you have Telegram group, just drop it there. Guys, I'm new to this session, so I'm new to this session. So please, guys. So, here I'm here to take your session. Is my voice is clear, guys? My voice is clear now. Just give me a thumbs up if it is okay. Yes. I'm here to take your session. So yes, yes, yes. So just now tell me, all the students, if you want me to clear your doubts or else continuing the session. I will give the project orientation. I think so. It is already done for you, right? Yes, guys. Just give me an answer. Does your project orientation is finished or not? If not, just drop a message. Tejaswini, please kept your doubt with you. Next session, the sir will answer you. Okay, I'll continue with the project orientation session. So I'm here to take your session. Yeah, dear. I'm starting this session. Just give me a minute. Regarding projects and all, I can't tell you guys. In tomorrow's session, you can ask your son. Okay, please don't ask me. Guys, the session will continue. Okay, don't worry about it. I'm taking this session, so just please stay in this session. Did you see the screen now, guys? Did you see my screen? Uh, okay, guys, let's start the session. Uh, okay. Data analytics. How many of you know about data analytics? Just tell me an answer. How many of you know about the data analytics? Can anyone say that? What is data analytics? Yes. Okay. Yes. Next one. Data. Now we are going to discuss about data analytics use cases. Hmm. First one, cosmetic insights, navigating through cosmetics trends and consumer insights with Tableau. Here, one minute, guys. So this is one of the example used to identify the cosmetic trends. It is a like we can use the cosmetic sales dataset to analyze the customer insights. Here, for example, I want to give an example. So, for example, we are going to a shopping mall, right? In the shopping mall, the some clothes are displayed there. So, on which basis they are choosing the style of the cloth, whether they have to sell the sarees or jeans or western wear or frocks. How they are identified based upon these use cases. So based on Tableau, we can identify like what kind of stuff we have, what kind of stuff the people likes. So that kind of stuff should be there so that they can have more sales, right? Rather than usual sales. So that it is one of the best example for Tableau use cases. And second one is visualizing proof for electric cars and range analysis. Here we can visualize, right, like how much does it cost and how much speed it can go, what are the features present in the car. We can visualize, and also based upon the features, how much the sales are going on. We can say that how much sales are going on and all. So it is one of the okay. Lakshmi Kalyani, what do you want me to explain? Just clear me that. Okay, sir already taken this thing, so I'm just revising it. So just see. Yeah. Okay, this is one of the example, and it's a toy craft dates. So here we are taking the toy manufacturing data to visualize the things. So measure the bulks of the possibilities. Right? Here we need to identify based upon the economy. So heritage treasures is one of the example. Visualizing house market trends. Here, house market trends means which we apply same on the cosmetics and shopping, right? So same thing will be applied here. Based upon the futures, what kind of houses the people are liking. We are identifying them that kind of houses should be built, right? So that they can increase their size. So again, comprehensive analysis and data strategies. Like how many of you know about machine learning and visualizations there? So they can understand easily here. Based upon the visualization, we can identify the future predictions and also we can uh, come to a conclusion what kind of food can be taken by a particular person based upon the historic data. So here also same thing happens like into the future. So here also same like we need to identify the consumption patterns, electricity consumption patterns, and strategic product placement and evaluation. And coming to first use cases is cosmetic trends and customer consumer insights with Tableau. So same like as I said before, it is giving the same right visualization and capabilities are a solution to navigate these trends. Okay, key challenges include tracking challenging consumer preferences, identifying the emerging trends, and assessing product performance in real time. A comprehensive approach with using Tableau can address these issues. Like I said, how the cosmetics, how we use data analytics in cosmetics. We can simply by seeing this and first use. What are the advantages? There's nothing but reactions. Social impact will be that business model and impact and existing solutions and recommended technology references. Use case to use case to which is an visualizing proof for electric vehicle charge and analysis. So I said no, how much it gives the mileage, or whether the it is giving the technologies, no technologies are used or not. You can identify. So yeah. Coming to its case, social impact. Yeah. Next use case is toy craft diaries, tablet vision into the toy manufacturing. So same like the use cases are similar to interlinked to the one to the another. So these are similar in all the projects. Same social. So by social impact, we get the consumer behavior and industrial trends. Like it helps to create the more personalized toys and more experienced consumers, right? Yeah. Business values, manufacturers, retailers, and marketers to refine their products. So it can change their point of thinking in making of products. Yeah. Coming to use case. Use case 3 is computer. Use case 4, Pulse Prosperity Index of Economic Freedom Analysis. So here that measures the extent to which a country economic system is free from the government intervention or not. So this is what it is identifying, and it scarcely ranks 0 to 100 with higher scores indicating a high degree of economic freedom. Based on these scores, countries are placed into one of the four categories, like which is categorized like free, moderate free, or mostly unfree. So this is a categories used. So based upon these categories, they are giving the rank between 0 to 100. At the same time, the countries keeps the score also. So based upon the score, we can define the country. From the social impact, this information of individuals and for business for better understanding for country's economic index. So we can simply say that by understanding the economic index means which is country people, uh, all GDP, right? So this is what it means. So we can basically consider as GDP also. So making the informed decisions about the investment, trade, and other commercial activities. Coming to business impact, will give the information about to make the policymakers, business individuals, and who are interested in the understanding the economic conditions in different countries are the solutions. This is the use case number 5, an in-depth analysis of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Tableau. And coming to this, these are based upon the cultural, historical, and natural landmarks that preserves the global heritage and promote the tourism. Understanding by this, we can understand the distribution status tourism. We have multiple challenges also in this. The key issues are assessing the tourism impact on heritage sites and tracking the conservation efforts and identifying the regions. Tableau is used to manage the World Heritage Sites and drive sustainable tourism and ensuring the prevention of cultural heritage for future generations. Same one. And the social impact it will promote the awareness and preventions of UNESCO World Heritage Sites and supports sustainable tourism and conservation conservation efforts. And coming to business model or impact, provides the actionable insights for tourism and conservation sector. These are the existing solutions and coming to use cases. Visualizing the house market. As I said before, based upon the features, we can identify whether the business preferences, customer preferences, variety of factors, economic conditions, seasonal trends to remain competitive. Real estate professionals and investors must be analyzed household data. Challenge is to the challenge is simply we can integrate the property listings, sales prices, market trends, and customer preferences. And Tableau is advanced data visualization by using the help. We can sense the complex data also. Here the key issues are price fluctuations, predicting the market trends, and assessing how different property features impact the sales prices. A robust solution using the tablet can provide the real-time insights that support better decision. The social impact provides the insights into the housing market, trends and consumer preferences, and here it helps in businesses, home owners, and real estate professionals make informed decisions based upon the market data. And coming to business model or impact, offers valuable insights for real estate professionals, developers, and investors to adjust the pricing strategies and helps to refine marketing efforts and develop the targeted strategies based upon the market trends and product features. Coming to use case number 7, as I said, discussed earlier, like we can choose our related data among the college students. So our goal is to make the better food choices that supports the economic and health success. So and like we can identify the we can give the constraints to the lack of nutritional awareness and access to the unhealthy food. Causes fatigue and weight gain, poor concentration, and mental health problems. These are the existing solutions and the model business art model impact potential for scalable commercial solutions, stronger vendor partnerships, revenue growth opportunities, improved student health and well-being, enhanced economic performance, and greater health. And coming to next case. This case is a plugging into the future and exploration of electricity consumption refers to the amount of electrical energy that is consumed by a particular entity such as household, a business, or an entire country. It is a measure of how much electricity is being used over a given period. Usually measured in kilowatts hours, and the amount of electricity consumed depends upon the various factors including the population, economic activity, the availability of electric appliances, and the availability of alternative energy sources. And an electricity consumption analysis can be performed at different levels, which means including housing, businesses, cities, countries. The analysis may involve. Give me a minute, guys. Kamalakar, we are not giving the any project to you at now because in next session, sir will tell you what you have to do. Stop sending messages multiple times. Okay. Yes, dear Asha, I'll explain case 4 again. And yes. Explain case 4 again and give me a minute, guys. Yeah, Cyril, try to speak louder. Hey guys, coming to page 2. So someone is not understanding the page 2, so that I'm explaining again. Case 4 also someone asking. So coming to case 4, here the problem statement is it is very simple. Identifying the index of economic freedom, and it should be given rating to 1 to 100, sorry 0 to 100, based on the freely, mostly freely, moderately, and canopy. These are the categories we division them. Countries can be division in these four categories. It will give the range up to 0 to 100. And the the index of economic freedom standard will provide valuable information. Here, it is that's it. Based upon the GDP, we can giving the range up to 0 to 100. This is the problem statement there. The solution is very simple. So, for the basis, we can use this economic index for making informed decisions about the investment, trade, and other economic activities. It's valuable information in respect of business model. We can give to the policymakers, business, and individuals who are interested in understanding economic conditions in different countries. Okay. And coming to use case two. Coming to here also same problem based upon the car features, we can identify the whether the car is in the range or not based upon the features which it has. So based upon that, we are identifying it will be how much it charges. So this is what it identify. Coming to use case. And coming to eighth use case, it is nothing but we are identifying the electricity consuming patterns. So how much the family uses the electricity. So this is what it identifies. And coming to next one, next social economic uses for this project is to information they need to make more sustainable and socially responsible decisions which can ultimately benefit a society as a whole. This model can generate revenue by providing the service to the electricity department, can tie up with governments, can sell your product to the private companies. Coming to use cases. Use cases is nothing but uh, strategic product placement analysis and relevant sales impact tables. Yeah, guys. Coming to this, I want to give an example. Demand. Demand is one of the example. Demand like stores. Because in Demand, did you identify the chocolates are placed at the billing section, right? So because the kids will make noise for chocolates, right? So they increase their size in that way. So while coming to the Demand, first initially they put some coffee, bread, and dairy products, and because they are has to walk around, right? So initially they don't need it actually. Mostly some people are not having coffee, right? So they are passed through it. So they think safe. Well, we can try. So did you observe the essential things will be placed at back of the team at last of the demand because they if they are passing through these rows, we can think of that like this might be useful, this might be useful or not. So we think like that, and we used to buy like this way. The sales will be increases in the demand. and discounts also helps them very well. So at the same time, this is what exactly happening in this use case. It will give the social customer experience and gives access to preferred products. Tell know how the customer buys the product, then the product will be available. Data-driven consumer empowerment, and higher sales and revenue growth, targeted marketing and reduced wastage, faster and smarter decision making. Existing solution is given. Coming to this thing, I can say that this is very simple. Like how many of you know industrial resolution, industrial revolution. In the industrial revolution, when the industries come to the India, uh, changes we can't right? Change we didn't expect before, right? The same thing happened. But in the case of iPhone, so there are the advantages, there is the use cases and all. So, end of the video. And if you have any doubt, just ask me. I can clear it. Yeah. Coming to resolution, like simply how people are communicating, accessing information, and engage with technology, various brands. We have like not only iPhone, we have multiple brands like Samsung, Pixel, OnePlus, etc. So here they have given the growing presence. There is a limited understanding of how the iPhone especially impacts India market dynamics and consumer preferences and social landscape. Okay. Yes, dear, I'm saying that only. So, Punit Amaira, it is nothing but iPhone which creates the impact when the iPhone is released. So, this is the problem statement they are given. So, yeah, I think you understand it. The iPhone impact is nothing but when iPhone came into the market, how much it created the wonderful image for it. Like it is a big revolution coming import into India. So that was a discussion exactly. Like Ganesh, if you want me to explain only high revolution or complete use cases. Yeah, dear, what happened? High revolution is nothing, but the problem statement is very simple. Like we all know, right? When industries came to India, it creates a great impact in the industrial world, right? So here also same when iPhone released into the market, how much it created the impact. That's what they are saying. Stress. Yeah, use case 9 is very simple. As I said, no, DMart is one of the best example. In DMart, we all see, right, the billing section, we can see some chocolates, right? So because the kids were make noise for the chocolates, so that they can buy it, right? So this is a strategy they use. That's why chocolates are placed at front of the billing sections. Okay, and also we'll observe one more thing, right? They placed essential things at that side of the demand because by going through that side, we can buy something or else, right? Something other things like other things like mayonnaise, ketchups, like fast foods, cool drinks, and all. So they placed randomly there. So then I same thing has happened there. We'll let you know, dear. If you have any does, just drop in Q&A section so that I can resolve it. Kola Lakshmi Kalyani didn't get the dataset for the project, right? So please ask this in the next session, okay? Don't worry about it. We will resolve it. My dear, I can explain you the case 3. I'm going to case 3 also similar like case 1 because here also they are doing the toys. They're doing for toys, right, based upon the previous manufacturing data and sales data. This we can identify what kind of toys this are choosing nowadays. So this is a okay like problem statement which we are using this. Is it clear there? 1 hour class only. I end it by 3:30. Okay. वास्तविक चल रहा Jayashree, please ask this question in next session, dear. Sir, okay, clear. I'm going to use this one. This one is very simple. Like here we are identifying the how what kind of services does the customer wants and what kind of product he or she wants to be buying. So this is what they are identifying. Yes, dear. Somehow it is nothing but identifying the customer behavior and at the same time what kind of products he or she are choosing it. So by analyzing analyzing those things. So we are identifying what kind of services does the customer need, uh, uh, and what kind of products does he or she needs. So this is what we are identifying there. And coming to case 6, coming to case 6, here also same. Like we have some features like while buying the house, we are identifying, we are gathering some places, right? Like prices, like what kind of houses will be built and what is the trend nowadays. So we are searching for it, right? So this is what, based upon these things, you can analyze the sales and the prices. You can identify the range also, like how much it does it cost and all. This is what it happens. Is it clear, dear? So please ask these questions in next session so that sir will answer you well about these things. Ending the session, guys. It's only 2 minutes left, so ending the session. Thank you for joining. Yeah. Bye, guys. Bye, bye. Ending the session, guys. Bye, bye.